Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Jaws of Life school project. You can see the materials and tools used in this project on the screen and in the description below. So now we're going to separate the cover and base of the PVC trunking. Then measure 18mm from one end of the cover. Cut a slot for the 10ml syringe to lock in. Shape the slot neatly using a craft knife and hacksaw blade. Prepare the 10ml syringe piston. Remove the piston. Drill a small hole in the piston as seen in the video. Trim and slice the piston edges so it slides smoothly inside the casing. All the holes in this project are 3.5mm. Take 2 popsicle sticks and drill holes on both ends. Take another 2 popsicle sticks, 1 hole at the end and 1 at the center. Place the base inside the casing as shown in the video. Check alignment first and only glue once all parts fit and move correctly. Do not tighten the nuts and bolts fully. Keep them slightly loose so the arms and linkages move freely. Do not tighten the cable ties fully when connecting the linkage to the syringe piston and to the arms. These joints need smooth movement. If any parts get stuck, carefully trim or adjust the casing using a wire cutter or craft knife. Cut the jaws from the cardboard. Stick them onto the arm tips using a glue gun. Base to 160mm. From one end, mark and drill holes at 10mm and 50mm. The 50mm hole is for a stopper bolt that prevents the linkage from rotating the wrong way. Fill the 20ml syringe with water. Connect the tubing between both syringes. Tighten both syringes to the casing using 2 cable ties. The method we have used for this project is in the description below.